welcome back to a new video. What is up, PLD Army? It is PLD Bros. We're back with another video. Today we are going to be unpackaging Beyblade. Yes, we are going to be unpackaging one Beyblade from the Choji series today. Not the Choji, I mean the Turbo series today. So if you guys enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. We need to get 2 likes for part 2. So I got my scissors here, as you can see, and I got my package. My scissors kind of broke, so don't worry. Okay, let's cut this bad boy up open. Okay. I'm kind of scared if I like break the. Oh my god, it stuck to my hand. Get out of it. Let's open this bit up. Ooh. We got it open, guys. We got Fafnir. So let's open this bad boy up open, and we have the layer, the disc, okay, and the stickers. We don't care about those. We have finally, but not least, we have the driver. This driver looks sick. Yeah, this driver does look sick. Absolutely sick. So we got it. We got Fafnir opened up. I am going to be testing it out. So we first got the layer. You can see the mouth can repel. So they say this is rubber. Doesn't look like rubber. This is like plastic. Like, but the dragon's mouth doesn't repel like this. Look. Look at the mouth. So I need to stick this, and I have no clue what to stick where and where to stick what. And we also don't have any pictures, so I think I need to search up this on Google. So I will see you guys when I'm done with sticking this and stuff. Bye. I'll be right back. So guys, I've been working really hard. So there's only like 4 stickers to stick, but I will do that later. It's literally like nighttime right now. I'm filming it right in time. It's like, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock right now. I'm so tired. I will just stick it like later and then show you guys the results. I don't know. If you guys want me to open up more, leave a like and subscribe, and I will open up more of these. And yeah, we need to get 2 likes for part 2. So this is what I got here. I stick something, as you can see. This is all I got. So let's talk about the disc and driver. So we got the 8-dash disc. This is like, I got reinforced here, like, and stuff. This thing is a little bit bigger than the 8 disc. We got the 8-dash disc. Looks pretty good. Maybe an upgrade. Who knows? And yeah, looks pretty good. It's might be heavy. Who knows? Next, we got the Observe Driver. Yes, we got the Observe Driver. This one is very bouncy. You will see if it can spin still or not. So yeah, stay tuned for that, I guess. So it's bouncy. So it does like go inside like the nothing driver, but I still haven't opened it yet, so who knows. So let's put in these parts together. Put them in. We got Fafnir. Let's go. So let's test them out in battle. So I will see you guys at my stage, I guess. Okay guys, I switched to another place. So I will just keep it down. I take it and show it to you guys. You guys just need to watch it like this. Go first. We got a Fafnir here. So let's test launch it. Oops. Wait, does it not fit? Oh yeah, I forgot it's a clockwise spinning bay. Get this launcher. It should work. Okay, we got Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, let it. Okay, we got Fafnir. It launched pretty good. Ooh, that's incredible speed. It's really cool. Look at the drivers. Pretty cool. I seen better. Okay, it's a pretty good bay. Now let's see if we can spin still or not. But before that, let's launch it. Hand launch. 3, 2, 1. Let it. Wait, isn't it a clock? Pretty good. But I can't. Since I can't like can spin clockwise. So let's just see how it goes. So I got a turbo bay. Honestly, I don't have none other bay than just Achilles. So yeah, let me get that bay real quick. So we got Achilles here, and he's gonna face up to the battle. You gotta beat somebody. So keeping it right here. That pretty much can see. Okay, let's 3, 2, 1, launch. Wait, I need to ready Fafnir first. We need to see if Fafnir can spin still. So 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. That Fafnir. It actually can spin still. Pretty good. Spin still. Let's see who can win. Is it a draw? I think it's a draw. Okay, let's try that again. You guys, I'm gonna launch it in my hand. Let me get ready Achilles first. You got Achilles ready right here. So let's hand launch it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Can actually spin still. Pretty good. I like that. Oh, this round, Fafnir won. 1 point goes to Fafnir. So this bay can spin still, so this is not a scam. Thank God. So if you guys enjoyed this content, if you guys want me to do more or even buy more Fafnirs, leave a like and subscribe. By the way, don't forget, if we hit 40 subscribers, I will do 2 hours in my bedroom. So leave a like and subscribe. You know what? I actually don't want you guys to do that. So don't leave a like and subscribe. Wait, I do, guys. Okay, just if we hit 40 subscribers, I will spend 2 hours in my bedroom. And if we get 2 likes, I will do a part 2 of unpackaging, like, bay something. but it might take a while because I already ordered it. Because of MCO, it doesn't come, so it might take a while. So yeah, so we are pretty much done. Wait, let's launch it and then see which bay is greater. So I'm gonna launch it with my launcher. So since Fatnia is the most powerful bay, we're gonna launch Fatnia first for a reason. Because Achilles doesn't even stand a chance against it. So let's get ready. Fatnia, as you guys can see. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ooh, that's a vicious fight going on right there, baby. Who's gonna win? Wait, why is Padney losing so much stamina? Okay, Achilles won that one. Achilles won that one. Achilles. Okay, let's try that again. I can't believe Padney actually lost. Okay, this time I'm gonna launch it as hard as I possibly can. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, Padney actually got a click. Pretty good. Did Achilles get any? Achilles got 0 of those. Man. Fatney is getting kind of boring. Okay. Let's launch it. Wait, hold that. What's wrong? Let's launch this bad boy. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. You got the base spinning. Which one can win this one? Why is Okay, Achilles won this round. So Fatney got 1 point, Achilles got 2 points, so Achilles won. Why is Fatney so weak? Like what? Huh? It got a click already. Okay, let me see how good is Fatney's stamina first of all. So I'm gonna launch it and let's just see how long can it last. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, how about we just launch up to this already because it's kind of... So let it rip. Okay, we got Achilles going in. Best of 3 guys, best of 3. Come on now. Spin still. Okay, this was kind of shaking, so we are gonna give this round to Fatnia. So 2 points equal. They got 2 points, and Achilles also got 2 points. To launch them again. Let's launch Achilles first this time because Achilles kind of crushed Fatnia, if I'm gonna be honest with you. So let's launch it. 3, 2, 1. Go, Achilles, go. 3, 2, not 1. Let's see. Come on, launch. 3, 2, 1, let it. Got them. Going with this. Okay, that one doesn't count. I didn't launch properly. Is there something wrong? I think I need like a really ultimate launcher. Let me just fix that here. Now let's go with Achilles. It's a draw. Let's just make it a draw. Okay, this is the final battle. Let's launch Achilles first. Okay, go on Fatnia. Launch up. Maybe it's not good as we thought. Okay, Fatnia won. It was like kind of like shaking like this. So it did indeed won. So Fatnia is better than Achilles. That's expected, but man, Achilles kind of crushed Fatnia. I guess pretty good to you, buddy. Pretty good to you. And Achilles says, "You are doubting me?" we need to get 3 likes, and if you guys want me to package more, we need to get 2 likes. So leave a like and subscribe. So yeah, peace.